Now let us see some more commands of 3D. See, already the 3D modeling working space is there. Okay, go here, southeast isometric. Okay, from here, go to southeast isometric. That will be more preferable to work. From here, do shaded with edges. Now, let us see line command in 3D. Okay, yes, put the ortho on. Now you can see this is the line which I am drawing along y-axis. Let's take 100 mm length in that direction. Now let's take 300 mm length along x direction. Now again 400 mm length along y direction. Okay, so this is how it will look. Now I am moving along z direction. From the near the crosshair cursor, you can see that it is going along z direction. Suppose you want 200 length, so 200 and enter. Now you can see here I have drawn a 3D line. You can rotate it and see it. Okay, again our view got disturbed. Go here, southeast isometric. Okay, so that's the 3D line which you can draw, but those lines are not joined together. You can see that those lines are not joined. Actually, for drawing the 3D view or 3D modeling of pipes, okay, we will use this particular lines. Okay, how to draw that I will show you when I will explain this sweep command. We have sweep command. Okay, so this is how it will look. 3D line. We can also draw polyline. Let me erase this. What is the use of this line? I will explain in future. Go to polyline, PL, enter. Now see, it is along. Again it is along y-axis. Again it is along x-axis. But I am not able to go into the z-axis because the command which I have given, it is a 2D polyline. It's a 2D polyline. I hope you got my point. That's the 2D polyline because you won't be able to draw any line along z direction. See, all the line is along the xy plane. Okay, and obviously all the lines will be joined together because it's a polyline. So we have one more command, that is 3D poly. Okay, 3D polyline. So 3D polyline, left click. Suppose I want in this direction 100, then 200. It is along y direction. In the z direction, I want 200. Okay, in the x direction, 150. Okay, in the y direction, let's take 250. So like this, you can see I am drawing. See, this is the 3D view. So you can see that. Go to southeast. So you can see that that's the 3D polyline, which is in 3D. Okay, so for 3D polyline, the command is 3D poly. That's it. 3D poly is the command. If you want to draw the 3D polyline, start point, then end point like this. Okay, yes, in the Z direction also it will go. But if you try to do with your polyline, which is a 2D, okay, it will be drawn only in the XY plane only. Okay, 2D means only along the XY plane. 2D means what? 2 dimension. 2 dimension means along X and along Y. I hope this is very much clear. Now, let us draw a circle. Let us draw a rectangle. Okay, let us draw a line. Okay, close it. So this is a closed cross section using line command. Let us draw another cross section using polyline. PL enter. Start point, go to close. So this is a cross section using polyline. Okay, yes.